Alright, it's 9:30 p.m. and we are ready for another swim here at Toppesanden beach. Yes, that's right. So right now it's 17 degrees Celsius outdoor temperature still, but it feels like temperature of 14 degrees, and it was 13 degrees 1 hour ago, so that was strange, but that's good. Alright, now we're gonna jump from this platform, which looks amazing, and we're gonna enjoy today in this wonderful North Sea. Yes, amazing. The most beautiful sunset is coming up, and this is practically my 7th beach location for today, if I don't count this together, because I was there on that beach and now I'm on the rocky part of it. So I don't know, maybe it's still the same Toppesanden area. All right, yes, we are almost ready to go in. Let's just enjoy first a bit of the sunshine here. The water looks super clear and it's waiting for me. All right, let's dive in and enjoy the beautiful North Sea and this beach here in Bergen. Are you ready? All right, we are going down in 3, 2. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I don't know which jump this was today by count, but I did a lot. So, oh my god, this is beautiful. So beautiful. Oh, perfect evening. Oh, look at that. All along here. There were some people here before, some teenagers, but they left, so I'm now all alone and enjoying fully here. Amazing. Greetings from Toppesanden, this beach located 15 kilometers away from Central Bergen. And yes, hope you enjoyed this video and tune in for some more soon. Most beautiful sunset. It is 10 p.m. and the sun is still up. Beautiful.